Why is it so blurry? Why is it so blurry? Oh.
Come on, more Honk. Yeah!
That's Gabriel's stepfather. I couldn't show my face. I'm sorry. I couldn't show my face. I didn't record it.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. One Honk.
Watch him say, get in. Watch him say, get in.
I don't want the little girls to read the sign. America and the rest of the world, do you think I'm sexy? Comment me. Want to join us? Honk if you think I'm sexy. You guys could do a fake honk with your lips. Come on. Rejected. Rejected. Fuck, I know where that guy lives too. I think he knows where I live.
He does.
It's freaky. Wait, here comes the white car. How much longer do I gotta do this there, Jonathan?
2 minutes, 16 seconds.
People drive too fast. They're slow as fuck readers. Wait, here's a lady in the black car. She's doing reverse. Should I do a little dance? Like
yeah.
Go to the floor?
No, I record it.
Come on. Either they don't know how to read, or I'm not sexy enough. Shit.
Do you think Eric is sexy enough?
Comment me.
What's your YouTube name? I have a YouTube account.
Watch me see you. No space. Watch me see you. Wait, here's some more cars. If they don't honk, leave me a comment doing something real gross and I'll do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. I get $100. Come on. Yeah! Bitch. You have a BM. You should read fast as fuck. Wait, I think this is Arlie's mom.
No.
No.
Black guy.
It says if I'm sexy, right? What the fuck?
Yeah.
Faggot. Bitch don't like pussy. Okay, you can end it. Wait. World, if you think I'm sexy, please leave me comments. Because I think I'm sexy. You should read fast as fuck too. Why'd someone crash because of this shit? Woo! Come on.
Yeah!
I'm sexy according to 4 people. 4, right?
I don't know. They keep counting.
This is how I make my living, bitches.